Hello, this is Helen from Micronesia Machinery. Today we are going to check machines at the Shanghai port for our clients. Here we go. Now we are arriving at Shanghai port. The machine in front of us is SANY Excavator. The model is SY135, almost 14 tons. Now I will introduce you more details about this excavator. The main valve and pump is from Kawasaki, equipped with Isuzu engine with 100 horsepower. Here is the rear camera. Next, I will show you the cabin. The cabin features superior visibility for the driver and fully enclosed with a powerful air conditioner and heating system for comfortable operation in any climate. Look at the bucket. The capacity is 0.6 cubic meters. This is a dozen blader our client needed especially. And for the whole machine, with 2 years warranty, you have no need to worry about after-sales service. Meanwhile, with responsive and intuitive controls, positive flow hydraulics, incredible fuel efficiency, and a reliable powertrain, SY135 can guarantee you safety and help you finish tougher jobs. In brief, SANY SY135 Excavator can bring power and performance to make your all-day work very easy. So, if you need any machines in future, please contact us freely. Thanks for watching. See you next time.